All right, we are on assignment 4 in module 8. Go ahead and click on insert screens, download it, and meet me in the PowerPoint. All right. Okay, so it says display slide 4. We can do that. Here's slide 4, and then said open a web browser and locate a web page that has information about tablets. Best tablets for a small business. Yes. All right. Let's see. Digital trends. I like Tech Radar a lot. I tend to find them to be pretty solid. Okay. So, and now it's got to pop up. I'm going to close this. And it wants me to locate a web page that has information about palettes, return to PowerPoint, and then capture and insert a screen clipping of part of the web page. Okay. So we're going to come over here to insert. Okay, we're going to do screenshot, screen clipping. Okay. Now, because I'm on, it doesn't look like I have the option. Yeah, I just have module 8. I think, actually, let's reopen this. Say no thanks. I'm going to go back into my PowerPoint, making sure that this is the one in my primary browser that's selected. I'm going to try that again. Insert screen clipping. Here we go. There you are. So now I've inserted a screen clipping, and I've gone to insert, screenshot, and these are my available windows. This is what I have open at the moment on my computer, and because this is the top level page, if it's buried in a tab, it won't be the one that it is, but if it's the tab you selected, you'll be able to insert it. I'm going to resize it a tiny bit. Okay. New tablet for travel. Put it in there. Return to PowerPoint, save it, and that is it. You're all done with that once you've successfully inserted from a screenshot of available windows. Okay. And that is all for this one.